Today we are going to install the new Turn Off-Road Ford Bronco RR2 M4 4-door hard-top half-roof rack. This rack fits the 2021 and newer Ford Bronco 4-door models. Installation time is around 60 minutes. Can be installed by yourself, but easier with a friend. With a difficulty level of beginner. You will need this list of tools to get the job done properly. So, gather all these tools, and let's start this installation. Let's start by pre-assembling the main rack framework. First, flip the cross members over, so you can see the footing that rests on the vehicle. Now, take the supplied foam padding, cut through the pre-scored foam backing, peel off half, and adhere it onto the cross member footing. Then, repeat this step on the other end of the cross member. Next, let's do the same to the other cross member. Now, this will create a buffer to protect your vehicle from damage that may be caused by the rack itself. Next, grab the 4 cross member mounting plates and set them out, like you see here. Then, grab the 4 supplied foam pads, peel off the backing, and adhere a pad to each plate, as you see here. Now, grab the rear end plate, and install 2 cage nuts in each end, as you see here. Then, grab a cross member, and install a cage nut in the end, as you see here. One more in the angled hole shown here. And 2 cage nuts in this location you see here. Next, do the same to the other end of the cross member. Now, repeat these steps to the second cross member, and you are ready for rack assembly. Now, grab both cross members, and insert 2 cage nuts on each cross member, into the slotted holes, as you see here. Next, flip the cross members over, and grab the 2 truss mounts, and set them in place aligned with the cage nuts as shown. Now, thread in the 2 supplied, 5mm button head Allen bolts, one on each end of the trusses. Then, tighten them down, finger tight. These trusses can be mounted anywhere along the cross members. We have mounted them in the middle. Next, with the help of a friend, grab the assembled cross members, and set the now main rack on top of the back cab, as shown here. Align each side with the mounting slots in the hardtop, and make sure the rack footing is in the proper position. Now, grab the side mounting plates, insert the bottom of the plate into the hardtop, and then lean the plate into the cross member as you see here. Next, align the mounting holes, and thread in a 5mm Allen bolt, finger tight. We found it is easiest to put the bolt on the end of an Allen bit and extension to start the threading, as space is limited for fingers. Now, repeat this step to the front mounting plate, and also to the other side of the vehicle. Next, grab and set the rear crossmember in place on the hardtop. Then, grab a side rack plate, align the holes as shown here, and thread in the 2 button head Allen bolts to hold it in place. Do this to the other side as well. Now, thread in 4 of the 8, 5mm Allen button head bolts, 4 on the front crossmember, 2 on each end, and tighten finger tight. This leaves the back of the plate to move a little, so now you can assemble the rear crossmember with 4 more button head bolts, finger tight. Then, thread in the last crossmember bolts, finger tight, as shown here. Next, make sure all is aligned and where you want it, and tighten down all the hardware, on each side of the vehicle. You are now done, and ready for gear. Congratulations, that completes your Turn Offroad 4-door, half roof rack installation. This half roof rack was designed and tested with strength and profile in mind. It is extremely durable and is designed to be low profile and sleek to keep wind noise down. The rack adds under 3 inches to the overall height and features an aerodynamic air deflector in the front. This results in minimal wind noise, and a vehicle that can still clear most commercial and residential garages. Whether you are camping, on the trail, or in the city, the low profile and high strength of this rack will get you, and your gear, where you need to go. Until your next Turn product install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your product installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.